The browser rendering pipeline. Once the browser gets a response, it doesn't instantly appear on the screen. The browser goes through a rendering pipeline, it parses the HTML, calculates CSS styles, figures out layout, and then paints pixels to the screen. JavaScript can interrupt and change this process at any time. This is why performance matters so much. Heavy scripts, large layouts, or constant DOM changes force the browser to redo expensive work. If you understand that rendering is a process, not a switch, performance issues suddenly become much easier to reason about. State and data flow. As soon as something changes on the page, you're dealing with state. State is simply data that can change over time and affect what the user sees. A counter value, a logged-in user, a loading flag, these are all state. The hardest part is not storing state, but controlling how it flows. When data moves in predictable directions and changes in obvious places, apps stay understandable. When state can be mutated from anywhere, bugs become almost impossible to track down. That's where separation of concerns comes in. This is the idea that different parts of your system should have clear responsibilities. Rendering logic should not be tangled with business rules. Data fetching should not be mixed with UI layout. This is not about folder structures or buzzwords, it's about reducing blast radius. When concerns are separated, changing one thing doesn't silently break 5 others.